Hi, welcome to Shuttle Computers booth here at InfoComm 2026. My name is Tosh. I just wanted to talk about one of our newer products here at the show today. This is called the SB860R8. If you know Shuttle, this is pretty much like what we were known for in the industry since, again, since the early 2000s. All we've done now is basically we've beefed it up a little bit more with the latest generation processor, the capability to run DDR5 memory, as well as being able to also do like M.2 storage and the expansion of basically NVMe storage as well with it. So for a lot of our users here at InfoComm, it's a great product for if you're trying to create like a media server or an editing station or being able to do like a broadcasting server. Allows you to, again, do a lot of your traditional higher performance desktops, but in a much more smaller form factor. Again, these do come with a 500 watt power supply, 80. It's a gold 80 standard certification on there as well, which again allows you to put in pretty much up to like a 50, 60, 50, 70 RTX video cards in it and run power without any issues, along with a Core Ultra 9 processors with it. So again, if you want a more compact desktop, you want something that's going to give you more bang for your buck in the sense, this is a great product to seek. Again, you could check it out for the SB860R8 PC on shuttlecomputers.com.